Hey there! I've put my money where my mouth is and tested the top C-wire adapters out there. Let's face it, you don't want to waste your hard-earned cash on something that doesn't work. I've got all the insights you need to make an informed choice.
Product number 1. Vivria AC 24-volt transformer. When I first unboxed the Vivria AC 24-volt transformer, I felt a wave of skepticism wash over me. The packaging didn't scream luxury, but hey, I wasn't looking for a fashion statement. I needed reliable power for my Ring doorbell. The setup was incredibly straightforward. I ran the 315-inch cord along my wall, which was a breeze. It was plug and play, and I felt like a pro as I connected it to my device. The long cable distance was particularly helpful since my outlet is quite a distance from my front door. I plugged it in, and voila! The doorbell powered up without a hitch. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the upside, the wide compatibility with various smart devices, think ecobee, Honeywell, and even Nest, is a game changer. It's nice knowing I can use this adapter for multiple gadgets in my home. The safety features impressed me too. With a 24V and 500 mAh output, I felt confident that I was giving my devices the juice they needed without risking damage. However, there were a couple of drawbacks. The cord could be a bit more aesthetically pleasing. It's just a basic black cable that didn't blend seamlessly with my wall. Also, while I appreciate the length, it may be a bit much for those with a shorter distance to cover. So, why should you consider the Vivria AC 24-volt transformer? If you're tired of dealing with low battery issues on your smart devices, this adapter could save the day. It eliminates the need for constant charging and offers a consistent power supply. For just under $16, it's a solid investment that makes powering your smart devices hassle-free.
Product number 2. Honeywell Home C-Wire Adapter. The Honeywell Home C-Wire Adapter caught my eye due to its promise of simplifying the installation process for my thermostat. As someone who isn't particularly tech-savvy, I appreciated the user-friendly features. Upon opening the box, I noticed the sleek design. It looked modern and professional, which is always a bonus. The push-button terminals made wiring a breeze, and I felt accomplished as I connected everything with minimal effort. One of the standout features is the magnetic backplate, which allowed me to mount it directly to my furnace without fumbling around. It's these little conveniences that make a difference, especially when you're trying to avoid a DIY disaster. The 5 wires exiting the adapter were clearly labeled, making it simple to connect everything without any guesswork. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. At around $33, it's one of the pricier options in this list, which might be a turnoff for some. Also, if you're not using a Honeywell thermostat, you might find yourself questioning its compatibility. So why choose the Honeywell Home C-Wire adapter? If you're looking for reliability and ease of installation, this product delivers. The sleek design and simplicity make it a worthy investment, especially if you value aesthetics as much as functionality.
Product number 3. Chukachoo Doorbell Transformer. I stumbled upon the Chukachoo Doorbell Transformer while searching for a budget-friendly solution for my Ring doorbell. At just $14.99, I wasn't expecting much, but I was pleasantly surprised. The first thing I noticed was the 16.4-foot-long cable, which provided plenty of flexibility for installation. I easily routed it from my indoor outlet to my doorbell without any fuss. What really stood out was its wide compatibility with various smart doorbells. This was a game changer for me since I had plans to upgrade my doorbell system in the future. The fact that it continuously converts 110-120 volts to 24 volts 500 milliamps power means I don't have to worry about battery issues anymore. On the downside, the build quality felt a bit basic, and I wondered about its longevity. Also, while the installation was straightforward, I did run into some confusion about the non-polarity wire. It took me a moment to figure it out. So, why should you consider the Chukachoo Doorbell Transformer? If you're looking for an affordable and reliable solution for your doorbell power needs, this adapter is a solid choice. It's easy to install and eliminates the headaches associated with battery replacements.
Product number 4. Wyze 24-volt power adapter.
I was in the market for a reliable C-wire adapter and came across the wyze 24-volt power adapter. Priced at just $13.99, it seemed too good to be true. When it arrived, I was impressed by how lightweight it was, which made installation feel less daunting. I plugged it in, and the 301-inch cable allowed me to run it conveniently from my outlet to my thermostat without any trimming. It's compatible with all the popular smart devices, which made me feel confident in my purchase. The fact that it meets UL standards was a huge plus for me. I always look for safety certifications when dealing with electrical appliances. I noticed a significant boost in performance with my Honeywell thermostat once it was powered consistently. However, I did find that the instructions could use some improvement. While the installation was fairly straightforward, I had to do a bit of searching to clarify some of the steps. So why buy the wyze 24-volt power adapter? If you want an affordable and effective solution for powering your smart devices, this adapter is a great option. It's lightweight, easy to install, and compatible with multiple devices, making it a versatile choice.
Product number 5. hvac UL Certified Thermostat C-Wire Adapter. The hvac UL Certified Thermostat C-Wire Adapter caught my attention due to its impressive safety features. At $16.99, I was looking for something that not only worked well, but also kept my home safe. Upon unboxing, I felt reassured by the UL certification, as it indicates a level of quality and safety I appreciate. The 26-foot power cable was more than sufficient for my needs, and I quickly connected it to my Honeywell thermostat. Installation was a breeze, which is always a plus in my book. I ran the wire along the wall without worrying about polarity, which made the process even easier. I was thrilled to see my thermostat powered up without any issues, and the performance was stellar. I didn't experience any interruptions in live view or motion tracking, which was a major concern of mine. However, I did find the 11.6-ounce weight a bit cumbersome and could be tricky to mount securely without additional support. So why choose the hvac UL certified adapter? If you're looking for a safe, reliable, and efficient way to power your thermostat, this adapter is a fantastic choice. The added safety features and ease of installation make it worthy of consideration. After testing these 5 C-wire adapters, I can confidently say they all have unique strengths. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, ease of installation, or stellar safety features, there's something for everyone here. Choose what fits your needs best and say goodbye to low battery headaches.